Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Bicycle Fashion deck in indigo and orange. Now I bought this deck because I absolutely love that combination of the blue and orange. I'm more steered towards a sort of very light blue and orange. That combo is my favourite, but this indigo and orange just looks fantastic. Look at the sides here, got air cushion finish made in the USA, air cushion finish made in the USA in French. That incredible indigo and orange back design there, standard face. So the main thing for me with buying these is that colour theme, because it is a standard back, it's a standard rider back, and it is a standard face. So there's nothing about this deck that stands out apart from this, and that is the reason I got this deck. It just looks amazing. So we're in. So we have the Bicycle small print subsidiary information in the inside there. So take a seat at the table in both indigo and orange, English and French. Got the jokers here, one coloured, one black and white, and this one is red and orange with the indigo trousers. Still pretty cool. Standard ace, standard face, standard all the way through. Now that is very cool. They've done that. They continue with that indigo and orange theme, but they've added red in for like the crowns, the chest part, which is very cool. Because complete indigo and orange wouldn't be able to break up the colours that much, so that's pretty nice. Standard faces all the way through the diamonds. Now this is more red actually by the look of it. Let me just grab one of these. This doesn't have as much indigo in it. So in the black suits there's a lot more indigo, in the red suits there's a lot more red, which is okay. It's a bit different. Red doesn't overly go with the colour scheme so much, and I know obviously red's included in the pips and they haven't changed the pips or the indices, so there's going to be red in the deck, but I didn't expect it to be this much involved. But you know, it's a fashion deck, it's not, you know, a fully custom face deck, blah blah blah. So we've got the double backer here. Now everyone's going to be familiar with this back design, but just look at the colours. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. And I'm so glad that the orange colour is the dominant one. So it would have been a bit heartbreaking if it was like so in your face dark indigo and then you had very little orange involved. Yeah, it's just so nice. It doesn't normally, if you take a deck of standards and you fan it out, you know it's a deck of standard. Looking at this, it doesn't even look like a deck of standard. So that fashion incorporation is more the colour changes. So what makes them the fashion deck is the colour themes and the obscure colours they have in some of these fashion decks. A bit stiffer than the bees we've been reviewing recently. I don't want to bend them up too much, as I'm not going to be using them. They're just for the look, really. So yeah, they're made by the United States Playing Card Company, so they've got that signature air cushion finish. Beautiful handling. Very nice. Yeah, I just love them. That colour scheme does it for me. And it almost looks purple with the contrast in this light. So it's just, it's beautiful. So if you're looking for a deck of standards that isn't quite standard, then this is the route I suggest people go, because the fashion decks are like that step into a customised deck, into a unusually designed or unusually coloured deck, but without having to sort of make sacrifices, so that the indices aren't strange colours, which can be confusing for some people, especially if you're so used to that red and black, or you're not even really used to that yet. If you're new to cardistry, you're new to playing cards, or you're new to Magic, so a deck with like yellow and orange pips can really confuse people sometimes. So this is like the best of both worlds, with that customisation that looks incredible, but the real standardness of the deck of cards. Yeah, it's a winner. As I said, I bought it because I loved the colour theme, and I'm just so glad I got it. It's so nice. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.